Stephanie. Today I'll be showing our 1,000 pound digital spring tester. You can test new and used valve springs to make sure that they are all similar for any given engine. You can test your springs in minutes. The spring tester is made out of billet aluminum. It's got a backlit screen with multiple units of measurement for our Canadian friends, our European friends. Measures from 1 to 1,000 pounds in 1 pound increments. It's got an auto shut off for all you forgetful people, and it's just a really great tool, so I will show you how to use it. First thing you're going to do is turn it on, wait for it to show 0. You also want to turn your measurement on. This will help you do your cam math. Insert the spring, make sure it's centered and not going to fly off anywhere because we don't want to lose an eye. Back it off once you get to 1 so you can zero everything out. And we're ready to test. Look at that. Barely did anything, I'm already past 200. And if you're doing repetition with multiple springs, there is a stop back here where you can measure multiple springs and make sure they're all within the same general vicinity. And just like nothing, you can back it off and be ready for your next spring. That easy. If you're interested in getting something like this, this is not only a very good looking part, it is also a very useful, very professional looking tool. It looks like something that you would get in a very professional speed shop or any other head assembling shop. If you're interested in getting one of your own, you can go to proformparts.com and check out part number 66776.